Question number 37. From the worship of which things was the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam far away?
Of idol, sun, moon, etc.
Question number 38. At what age was the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam made a prophet?
40 years.
Question number 39. How did the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam like to live before he was made a prophet?
He loved being alone.
Yes, he loved being alone. Question number 40. Before being appointed the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam as a prophet, where would the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam go by taking the food of few days?
In cave of Hira.
Yes. Question number 41. What would the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam do in the cave?
He pray.
He would
pray God and meditate.
He would worship the God and meditate. Question number 42. What is revelation?
The message of Allah is called revelation.